If you run a business, you already know how important invoicing is. A clear and professional invoice doesn't just help you get paid faster, it also helps you track your transactions, apply taxes, add discounts, and maintain organized records for both you and your clients. In this 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create, customize, and send invoices in GoHighLevel. Even if you're brand new to the platform, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident about setting up your invoicing system the right way. Let's start from the very beginning. Inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, head over to the Payments tab and then select Invoices. Once you're in, click on the New button to create your very first invoice. At this point, you also have the option to add global terms of service or notes by using the gear wheel icon that sits next to the New button. These notes will then apply automatically to all invoices you generate, which saves time if you need standard disclaimers or recurring terms for your clients. After creating the invoice, it's time to fill in the details. Every invoice starts with your business information, so click on the text fields under the From section to edit your company details. You can even replace the default image with your logo by selecting it and pulling a file from your media library. Next, you'll want to add client information. This includes the recipient's name, email, and other relevant details, along with assigning an invoice number, the issue date, and the due date. These small but important fields help both you and your client stay clear on when payment is expected. The heart of the invoice is, of course, the products or services you're billing for. To add these, simply click Add Item and choose from the list of products you've already created under the Products tab. Once a product is added, you can still adjust the price or change the quantity to match the client's order. This makes it flexible for one-off custom jobs as well as repeat services. Now, let's talk about taxes. GoHighLevel makes it easy to add them directly to your invoices. All you need to do is open the tax settings option, then click Add Tax. From here, you can enter the name of the tax, set the percentage rate, and add a description or even a tax ID number if necessary. This way, your invoices stay compliant and your clients know exactly how their totals are calculated. Discounts are just as easy. If you'd like to offer a special deal, apply a coupon, or give a loyalty discount, simply click the Add Discount icon. You can then apply a flat discount or a percentage off the invoice, which updates the total instantly. Once everything looks good, it's time to send the invoice. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a green button. This is your send button. Clicking it allows you to send the invoice directly to your client via email or SMS. You also have the choice to test the sending process by switching between live mode and test mode under the advanced options. That way, you can double check everything before your client receives it. After sending, you'll want to track the invoice status. To do this, go back to the Invoices tab, where you'll see a full list of all invoices you've created along with their current status. You can filter these by status such as paid, pending, or overdue, as well as by date range, which makes it easy to pull up past invoices for reference. Additionally, invoices are also stored in the Transactions tab under Payments, where you can see successful and failed transactions and open invoices directly from there. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can set up professional invoices inside GoHighLevel, apply taxes, add discounts, and send them to clients through email or text. Everything is stored in one place, which makes bookkeeping simpler and helps your business run smoothly. So if you've been struggling with spreadsheets or third-party invoice tools, give GoHighLevel's built-in invoicing system a try. It keeps your workflow organized, integrates with your existing products, and ensures you're getting paid on time. With this setup, you can spend less time chasing payments and more time focusing on what actually grows your business. And there you have it, your complete 2025 guide to creating invoices in GoHighLevel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep exploring other high-level features like recurring invoices, auto payments, and QuickBooks integration, which can take your invoicing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.